Chairperson, there needs not be a speaker on the floor for me to raise an order. I hope we can agree on that. So I'd like...
You can proceed, Honorable.
Thank you very much. The judge has written a thesis when he was on the bench, attacking Roman Dutch law.
Honorable Ndlozi.
Your illiteracy is not going to help us.
Can you please sit down?
This judge
Honorable
has written papers against Roman Dutch law when he was on the bench.
Can you take the
You come here and you lie. You lie. This judge spoke about decolonization of the law from the bench. Don't lie here, man. Must read extensive, well-researched papers that are peer-reviewed. Yes, yes.